Honorable Madam Speaker, Deputy President, as a leader of the government business, the performance of Minister Dlamini has gone beyond undermining the National Assembly to include the Constitutional Court, thus bringing the executive and the country into disrepute. Would you advise the presidency to consider evaluating the fitness to hold the office and any other executive position? Ikwanguye lo mama owathi xa sibuzayo uba kutheni kudeductwa imali zamaxhegwazana kuthiwa bhatalele i-airtime, wathi uyayi-investigator, yet is part of the agreement kwangulo CPS. Awusincede mhlekazi ngale evaluation, nizawume-evaluator nini?
The Honorable Deputy President.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Members of the executive are evaluated by the President, who appoints them. The President evaluates the Deputy President and members of the executive on an ongoing basis, because in his hand rests the power to appoint and to do otherwise. So the President, what you are saying, really belongs to the realm of the presidential prerogative, and it is the President only who can do so. Thank you very much, Mhlekazi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi uyayiva le nto.